Hello there, this is going to be a fun little tutorial all about making a beaded bookmark for your junk journal. So I hope you're having a great day, and this is Marcia from Markets of Sunshine, and we're going to need a piece of fabric or ribbon 34 inches long by 3/4 inches wide. So this is the bookmark that we're going to make today. So isn't this cute? So you got a little tassel here at the top, and you have a little tail hanging down here at the bottom. And I've already made my tassel here, and I've embellished it with another same technique here, and adding beads onto just the fabric piece that was hanging off of the tassel. So it's really easy to do, so let's show you how to do it. So this is my green monochromatic fabric covered junk journal called Rebel Quilter, and I've been working on the back section, and so I decided I would needed a little page marker, so this is the perfect way to do it. So this was the 34 piece inch, and now it has 6 beads that we've used. We've tied 4 knots, 2 on each end, and then there you go. That's just how quick and easy it was to make this adorable decorative element. You could use it in a book or a journal. So let's cut our piece and make a bookmark together. And the scissors that I like to use are this Fiskar ergonomic with the little spring so that it helps your wrist and your fingers. So I mean, it takes all the pressure off of your hand. So I just kind of eye it, and I mean, if it gets an inch, 3/4, if you're not good at eyeing it, then by all means feel free to get out your ruler and fabric pen and mark it. But this does not have to be perfectly straight for this project. Okay. And there you go. Alright, so now what we're going to do is very easy. Starting on one end, we're going to decide how much of it you want to be outside of your book. And so as you can see here, once you tie the knots in it, that's going to shorten it up. So this is going to be the monochromatic, so everything is going to be greens. So let me get my beads selected here. Okay, so I know I'm going to need 2 of the whiter. This looks more pink. Let me get the white one. Did I already use it? Oh. Alright, well this is going to have to go. This is going to be close enough. Okay. And then we're going to use, we want 2 of this shade, and we want 2 of this shade. Okay. So for a total of 6 beads. Okay, doke. Now, let's tie a knot. And of course, because it's just a knot, you can adjust it. It's not the end of the world. You get it too high or too low. Okay, so we're going to go right about there. Something's sticking to me. Okay, and the knot just needs to be big enough so that the bead obviously will not slide off. I'm going to start, whether grab a color, it doesn't matter, whatever color you want to start with. I'm working with green, so mine are all in the green family. Okay, so slide it up there. one, and look at how easy this is. I mean, this is a fast and easy project. These would be great gifts to make too, just to include in Happy Mail to your friends. So I will be making these to go in all of my Happy Mail binders that I've been making. So if you have been following along, you know all the ones I've been making for friends. And the bee themed, now this is going to be adorable. So what I was just thinking is to find some cute little bee charms, beads, an actual bead shaped like a bee. And then slide that on here, and then you'll have your bee right here in the middle. Wouldn't that be adorable? Oh, we're going to have to do that on the next one. Okay, I will be getting that. We'll be making a bookmark for our bee-themed Happy Mail binder. The whole set is so cute. I'm still working on that one. I have to duplicate it because I need one. It turned out so adorable, so precious. So I know it inspired a lot of you as well. The beauty of that is all you have to do is when the little fibers start getting in your way is just cut them. Say, take that. Okay, there you go. And then what I like to do is I like to, where it's naturally folding, is just cut that, and then now you'll have two pieces, and that really looks nice. It adds just the right touch. See? Just gives it more of a dangle look. Okay, so now we're going to open up the journal. And we're going to lay this in here. Okay, so now here I have this one here. So now let's stagger it so that this one lays a little bit below it, not even, see? So this knot is picking up right next to the other one, just a little bit, but see now the nice effect you're getting. So of course you can adjust them any way you want. I'm just, with how I am viewing it and what I like and what I think looks good. So now just keep it in your journal, flip it around, get your other decorative things out of the way. Okay, and then tie a knot. And so we want our knot to be right here, even with the book, or the journal, whatever it is. So let's just go in here. So that's why we have the 34-inch piece, because that gives us plenty of room to make the adjustments we need for the length we want. And again, all I'm doing is working with the knot, and I'm adjusting it as I want. And now I just, if you just keep moving it, it kind of like rolls. And then, alright, I gotta make sure it's not pulling up my tassel from here. So keep an eye back on that one down there, because it was wanting to move on me. Okay, that's good. Alright, stayed where I want it. Okay, now just do the same thing, fold it over twice. And then slide your beads on. And if you have dexterity issues like I do, I don't have a lot of strength in my hands, this is an easy project. And it's not hard on your neck. And you could sit on your couch while you're watching TV with your hubby and family and make cute little beaded bookmarks. If you have children, you can get the children involved. This is a great project for them. Obviously, older children, if you have some younger children, some beads, I would not recommend. But older children, obviously, that aren't going to put a bead up their nose or in their mouth or something like that. Alright, now. And then let's just make the knot on the other end. And then this little bookmark is done. Just that quick and easy. It is loving it. Now I may come back through and take this apart, But it's okay. I have two the exact same color. It's okay. Just keep wiggling it. So I'm giving a little bit of space and wiggle room on the beads here so that they can move a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to cut it off right there, and I'll do the same thing and just cut right down the center of this piece to add that extra element. Okay, just turn it around, and there you have it. So now you have a dangle right there, one in the front, one in the back, two on the bottom, and you can adjust them a little bit. I can still adjust this, pull one down, make it a little bit longer. So cute, quick, and easy. And again, tie them right onto your fabric tassels. So we can do a project on that. I'll do a whole video on making these fabric tassels with lace and trims of all kinds and show you exactly how you do this. So if you're not familiar with that, I will be doing an upcoming video on that. So this was my Beebeecraft product promotion. This was video 2 in the series of the materials that I had received from their company, which was this whole container of beads, and then the craft tags, if you remember that one. That was my last video. So we made these, and this was the keys that I received, the little bulb pens, and the craft tags that I obviously embellished and made them look beautiful and vintage. So you can check out that video. It will be in the description below as well. So thank you so much for joining me here today. And I would love to have you to be a part of my little community here in the neighborhood. And all the information will be in the description box below. So you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. So, and one last thing I wanted to share with you today before I go is Happy Mail that I received from my swap partner from my Facebook group that I'm in right now with Junk Journal Junction. So she was so sweet. Kelsey, thank you so much. And I love the little glassine envelope that she put everything in, how she decorated it with vintage book pages, magazine pages, and just so sweet for you. And now all the cute little floral die cuts. We're doing monthly swaps in the group, and this month was for floral die cuts, and these are all the things she sent me. This was from, actually she fussy cutted from a notebook cover because one of them had that on the back, so I thought that was really such an ingenious idea. So it said 3 subject notebook dot ruled paper, so apparently from mint green. I'll have to check out this company. Be fresh, be fun, be green. 60% recycled soy based ink. 105 sheets. I mean, she is a girl of my heart because I just love anything eco-friendly. And so all of these, it's very textured. So it must be because it's the recycled material. Now I understand. And then these are vellum stickers, the clear stickers. I love, love, love. I love these. These are going to be perfect with napkins. And then last but not least, some vintage book pages from a botanical book. Absolutely love it. So the Brilliant Orange Flowered Annual Yersinia. Of course, all of the Latin names. Just adorable. I love these. So this is going to be perfect in a black and white monochromatic journal that I'll be doing. Thank you again. And if you're interested in joining our group, you have to subscribe to my channel and the other admin's YouTube channel. You'll find that in our group description, Linda Coker, and join my VIP coupon club code. And you'll get free printables or free coupons, free offers every Friday. So thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great crafting day. Bye-bye.